Hey guys, it's me Nick, and we're going to do a video of Nerf guns. I do not have that much Nerf guns, and I'm not going to shoot them, so yeah. So here we go. First Nerf gun, it's the one that I built, but I needed some help. So here it is. It's called the Magnum system. So I'm putting it on this right now. And it's going to be easy. I'll just give you guys, and I will shoot it. Hit that sub button like always. Give Alex some subs and Aiden. So, here we go. Okay. Do not ask to buy it. Only unless you give me $50. That's the price. So, I gotta look for some berries. I'm at some bullets. This is my big toy box. So, yeah. Bullet. Please work. Batteries. Okay. Sorry guys, I can't shoot today, but there's one. Now I can shoot this. You wanna see? Okay, ready? That's how you do it. Master in his house. Guys, I just didn't tell you. This can go up. So when you shoot it, it goes like there. Okay. I'm gonna get another shotgun. Here's another one. I can shoot this one. Wait 1 sec. These bullets don't work. So I need some other bullets. Wait 1 sec. Finally found one. Here we go. Let's see this baby shoot. Yay! Okay, now let me go outside because most of my shotguns are out there. Why is the back door open? So here we go. So those are the shotguns. So I'm not gonna shoot them, but I'll show you them. That's one. First one today. No, well, second. No, third. This one's nothing. Here's one that I gotta use one day. let's go to the basics. It's a bowl holder. And I got this one. I got some pistol. And then a handle for that. Okay, my name is Nick, and please don't ask to buy them. I'm just telling you, because those cost for free. So, my name is Nick, and peace.